What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. This is something I'm extremely excited about. Right, it's a little bit wet. Stick with me. If I have to wipe the lens, I have to wipe the lens. Right, first thing I'm going to share with you is this, yeah? So we've got Meg's over there. We've got a hot tub going on. As you can see, the smoke is coming out of it. This I'm excited about. We've got this heating up at the minute. You might think, why are you filming a hot tub in the field? What's going on here, Jord? But yeah, we've got steps up. Check this. I ain't kidding you. We've got this heating up at the minute. That's I'm excited about. So what are we doing there, Mex?
We are camping.
We are camping. True stories. We've got some glamping going on, right? We've got a Bluebird school bus, better known as Big Red. Now what are you saying about this? I'm going to take you around to a little look around here first. Because over here, where Megs is walking even. We've got a little bit of a, you know, a cleaning up area going on. Through here, we have the shower area. Awesome. Right next to the shower area, lovely wood as well on this. I love the way this has been constructed. Then we've got the toilet going on in there. Now you might think, stop showing us them, you know, I want to go and see the cool bits. Come on, because this, I'm saving the best till last. What are you saying about Big Red? Now, it's been a dream of mine for many years to own something similar to this that I actually drive around and do some camping with. But let's take you on a little nosy of this, because I am excited. I'll be spending a couple of nights here. This was actually my birthday present. Megs has booked all this. It was a surprise to me, so yeah, I really am excited. International, American vibes. I think that's incredible. Yeah, these might even come with a Cummins diesel engine. I don't know, but what's that, Megs? Yeah, look at the view you got going on over here. Obviously, welcome to Wales. This is what it's like 99% of the time, but you make the best of a bad situation. Couple of decking chairs out there. We will be in the hot tub later. I can't wait. But come on, let's have a little nosy at this bus, because I am excited. I've already had a quick little look, and I've already lived that sort of dream. How's our lens looking? Bit of water. We'll give that a quick wipe. My apologies. Right, welcome to Big Red. Let's wipe our feet here. Right, the first thing I did, yeah, because I've always wanted to do this, was sit here. No, we can reconstruct it. Out you go, please, dude. Right, pretend, alright, we're cruising around, I don't know, somewhere in America. There we go, we got to stop. Welcome aboard, miss. I've literally always wanted to do that. I've been sat in a driving seat of one of these. It's absolutely incredible. Look at your control panel and all that you got going on. So many things. Of course, you've got the mirror there. Check what's going on in the back. I love it. I think it's awesome. I've always wanted to use. Go on, Max, have a go at that door thing. It's addictive. How cool is that?
Cool.
Yeah, auto transmission. This is awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. Anyway, let's take you on a little look through this bus. If I can squeeze through. Sorry, Megs. And then you can see what is going on here. So you've got a lovely seating area here, there. Table that can come up as well. Love it. Got some cooking areas. We've got a fridge as well. Get a couple of beers in there soon. Lovely towels. I love these.
Yeah, I love the towels. Look at this little Max. Come on.
Yeah, that's awesome. This is just a good vibe. That's cool as well. I love it.
You're quite...
There we go. So we've got some bunk beds here as well. That's actually the lady coming to introduce herself. So pick this up in a minute. 2 seconds. There we go. Boss has information. Big up Hillary. Honestly, couldn't be more accommodating. Awesome. And that happy birthday banner is for me. Birthday was a couple of weeks ago, so I'm excited about it. But Big Red came from West Virginia.
Yeah. And then she went to Holland.
Then went to Holland, and it's red because it was a Santa's grotto. Via then it's come over into the UK, and this is where it is, and where it's going to spend many years. But this is a vibe, as I was showing you, because we didn't quite get through there. I don't know where the light switch is, but that's alright. There we go. No, one of them. But just check this. This is awesome. There we go. What a vibe. Honest to God, this is awesome. I can't even express how excited I am to spend some time in this. Come on, we'll have a little bed test as well. That's comfy. Got some robes as well. We've also been given some instructions on the hot tub. We've got to get it up to. It takes about 3 hours to warm up. Got to get to about 30 degrees. Got to stir it as well, because otherwise it will be just cold at the bottom. But
this is where you're sleeping.
No, it's not happening, mate. But no, what are you saying? You excited?
Yeah.
Got some books. Do you know what I really love as well? I tell you, for all the boys and girls watching this on YouTube, I have zero phone signal at the minute, so I'm looking forward to just switch off, literally off the grid. And yeah, I tell you what, there might be another little series coming for this channel where we go and do some more stuff like this. What are you saying, Megs?
Yeah.
Airbnbs, funky places. But yeah, Canopy Under Stars, this, isn't it?
Canopy and stars.
Canopy and Stars, this is where we found this. And honestly, what a vibe. I'm not even kidding, I'd live in this. This is awesome, such a vibe. But yeah, stay tuned. And because there's many more things coming soon. If you're new to this channel, yeah, where have you been all these years? What have you been doing? Hit subscribe on it if you already haven't. Smash like on that video, it helps me massively. It's free for you guys. But yeah, we're here a couple of nights. So what we're going to do is dip off and explore around different areas. So stay tuned, because there's going to be other videos coming from there and other locations. And yeah, I honestly can't wait. But I think we might have to do another video here tomorrow and just let you know what it is like, small space living and all that. And just check the view. I know Meg's is gorgeous anyway, but come on, look at this. This is awesome. And I tell you what as well, yeah, I'm 6'4" and I can just about stand up in this place. So yeah, perfect. But anyway, until next time, we are done exploring, my boss. Boosh!